Yo, what is going on, everyone in the XRP community? Hope you guys are having yourselves a fantastic day today, as usual. It is a Friday, so the weekend is upon us, but I'm gonna be real with you guys. I used to like weekends because it was kind of my, break from XRP. I now hate weekends because markets are closed. Stock market's closed. I can't see Tesla crash to zero during the weekend. So I gotta say, now when I go into the weekend, I'm like, okay, what can I do that makes this go by as fast as possible? Because I just want to get back to markets being open. I guess that's kind of the one really cool thing about cryptocurrency is that it is open 24/7. But anyways, guys, happy Friday. So in yesterday's video, we went over this double bottom on the monthly chart that was, coincidentally just happened to happen at the same point at which XRP first reached into the 20-cent zone and then made the big moonshot to the big $3. I will forever remember that day. So here's the thing. We've got 7 days left on the monthly chart. And we were saying in yesterday's video, like, okay, what's like the best case scenario monthly close here, where the buyers just show a strong power move, and that starts the whole FOMO train again, in which we just take down resistances one by one and get up to those really nice price levels, right? So we were saying, like, okay, you know what, maybe that, like at the very minimum, it would be nice, hey, if we close above 21 cents, it's kind of like closing above the previous high here, right? It doesn't look like a high, but it's the monthly chart, lower time frames. This is basically a high right there. But then it's like, okay, can we really stretch and close it above 24 cents in the next week? In which that would give us a nice, strong, like, buyer power move at this double bottom level, just to kind of put the cherry on top. Because the double bottom in itself is nice. But if we get the double bottom plus an extremely strong buyer's move, I mean, oh, yeah, we are setting up a formula to head back to the 30, 40, 50 cent region. So, monthly chart, there's really nothing different, but guys, today I saw something on the smaller time frame charts that suggests this might be very well possible we could secure this monthly close deeper into the 20-cent region. So, let's go ahead and get into that right here. So here we have XRP to the US dollar, the 4-hour chart. This was the recent high where we got into the 21-cent zone, wicked off, and then ended up having this consolidation here for a few days. So pay attention to this high right here. Okay, pay attention to this. All right, drop low, lower high, higher low. I mean, you could say double top, but I'm just going to go ahead and say lower high, okay, higher low, all right, whoa, all right, the consolidation got shaken up a little bit, boom, big red one, down to, what is that, 19 cents, and then the buyers start to trend up, higher low, lower high, they keep doing their thing, and all of a sudden, boom, this is what was important right here. This is what kind of saved us from, in my opinion, from continuing to fall lower. It's that level right here, because this was a clear level of the sellers telling the buyers to essentially piss off. Like, no, you're not getting past region. This is our region, right? But then it seemed like it actually did a little head and shoulders here. Might look might look a little weird, but I mean, yeah, that seems like it was a kind of a valid inverse head and shoulders. And then what happened is the market made a significant power move right above that resistance and closed above. So the market went, oh my God, wow, these buyers are really doing something. Guess what? They pulled back. Buyers said, thanks for the discount, and went way higher again. Now, let me go ahead and get rid of all the drawings here. So this most recent power move, it took us actually quite a bit above this recent high right here. And then even though it broke above, the market still went, you know what? I think it might be a little time to cool down. So the market cools down. It pulls back. It's a little bit more of a significant pullback compared to, as we would say, like, this right here. It's a little more significant, but at the same time, I don't think it's a done deal for the buyers. I still think this can end up taking us into the 21, 22 cent region. Because check this out. Do a horizontal line. See what the market did, right? Power move, pull back. What did it pull back to? What did it pull back to? Oh, it pulled back to this. It pulled back to this. I mean, you could even really say this because it did, get to that region and get rejected, right? It pulled back to like this. This is literally support equals resistance, because this whole time, this has been a resistance zone. But once you break resistance with a strong power move and then go for your little mini pullback, what happened? We come back down to resistance. The market is now treating resistance as support, and it's doing it literally perfectly. Look at this. Perfectly. Look, I'm using like the thinnest line possible. Look at that. Perfectly. A little give right there, but if we do this, look at that. Perfectly. Back down to resistance, treating it as support. We even get a couple scam wicks along the way in which buyers got their nice discount. And look at this. As I'm making this video, it starts going green, and it's now getting above this previous market structure here. So guys, I am feeling very confident that over the next several 4-hour candles, so we can probably say over the next few days, probably this weekend, I think something like this is going to happen. Because guys, if you just look at the overall trend on the smaller time frame charts, look at from here on out, right? Look at this. Look at from here out. We had the big deep wicks down to 17 cents where it was, the capitulation stage, consolidate, power move, pull back, power move, consolidate, pull back, power move, pulling back again, back down to resistance. This is clearly buyer's territory. This is literally buyer's territory, and we do have serious opportunity to secure a beautiful monthly close that may just lead us into the 30-40 cent region. So here's what I expect to happen, okay? Here's what I expect to happen. I think next couple 4-hour candles, I think it's just going to be straight up. Unless, maybe they want to do one more red, another green, and then move it up again. But my general thinking with this 4-hour chart right now is this. It's just going to be power move, right back to resistance. It's going to have a little fake out, back to resistance, and boom. Now, I don't know if this is going to really, lead us way into those high price levels we're really wanting. So that's why I'm just saying, like, hey, this is what I think is going to happen. And if it does happen, we are definitely going to the 21, 22 cent region, which just makes it all the more perfect for our double bottom case on the monthly chart. Now, that's all I had prepared to show you guys today, but I'm kind of curious. Let me just kind of, live on the spot here, see if I can just find anything else, really. Oh, okay, all right, so this is just, so this right here was literally what we were just looking at, but daily chart, so as you can see there, it's kind of valid again. Breaks resistance, closes above, pulls back, bounces support, scam wick. I mean, dude, look at the buyers here, guys. This is time for the buyers to shine. And then this is our major battle. That is going to be our major battle. And guys, I can say with a lot of confidence right now that this battle's coming soon. Whether we break it or not, I don't know. We're going to have to look at how strong the buyers are as they approach the resistance. So I really don't know if we're going to break. But if my thinking here is correct on this 4-hour chart and this pullback and bouncing support and the buyers are staying strong, it's like we are definitely looking towards 22 cents. Now, I know 20 cents to 22 cents. It's not exciting, but I mean, I think that's what, 20 to 22 cents is like 10%. So if you do have a absolute monstrosity of XRP, a 10% move is actually quite a bit of capital. And then if this 10% move kind of has a little, let's say it has a little play at 22, it goes up there, it pulls back, consolidates, just does the same thing again that we're thinking it'll do down here. I mean, we really have a chance here on the monthly chart to get in deeper into the 20 cent region, get out of this freaking historical 20 cent support zone, and get back to the resistances where these prices are damn good. All right, guys, that's it for the video for today. Things are looking good. Not a guarantee. Not saying insta moon to $9,000 and you can have 20 Lambos and a anything you could ever want, but a move to 22, 23 cents seems very possible. And who knows what that move could turn into. Because also you got to look at the fact that gold is going nuts right now. And Bitcoin and gold, they're kind of somewhat correlated in a way. So, man, guys, let's see what happens. Thank you for tuning the video today. Make sure to smash a like, subscribe, check the links in the description if you do want to support the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.